Part of me don't wanna do anything today. As in literal na tinatamad talaga akong gumalaw. Tinatamad akong gumawa ng mga task ko. But part of me saying na kailangan ko siyang gawin. Because kapag hindi ko siya ginawa, talagang lalamunin ako ng pakiramdam ko na to ng katamaran. I don't wanna justify it by using my disorder, which is ADHD, but isa yun sa pinaka kinakalaban ko or namin everyday. Paggising pa lang, kailangan naming hanapin yung motivations namin para bumangon. That's why mas gusto namin nakahilata lang kami buong araw. May mga ganong times. May mga times din na sobrang energetic namin at sobrang, alam mo yun, hyper. It hasn't been having ADHD is always coming hyper. No, it's not true. Most of the time then, ay talagang sobrang down ng aming energy. Wala kaming middle. It's either sobrang taas or sobrang baba. Wala kami sa middle lagi. Hirap. Well, yun lang gusto kong i-share today. That is my minute diet for today. See you tomorrow.